अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ। यूनिट 9 in which we discuss the theorems, and the first theorem is one and only one circle can pass through three non-collinear points. First we see that what is collinear points. Collinear points are the points on a straight line, but they are three non-collinear points, mean that the points are not in a straight line and they can pass through only from one circle. In this theorem, according to statement A, B, C, A, B and C are the three non-collinear points in the plane, and we prove it. One and only one circle can pass through three non-collinear point A, B, C. Means only a circle can pass through these non-collinear points A, B and C. And next construction, A join with B and B with C, and draw also AB perpendicular bisector DF of AB and HK perpendicular bisector of BC. So DF and FH and HK are not parallel and they intersect each other at the point O, and also join the point A, B and C with the center O. Now we prove that the three non-collinear point only pass through from one circle. Here every point on DF is equally distant from A to B. I quote a reference from class 9th unit 10, the theorem 12.1, in which any point on the right bisector of a line segment is equally distant from its endpoints, and this is the shape. And according to this theorem, which is 12.1.2, in any point on AB DF equally distance from A to B. In particular, measure of OA is equal to measure of OB. Mean O is the point on the perpendicular bisector of these AB, and O is the point, and which means measure of OM is equal to measure of OB. And similarly, BC, the perpendicular bisector is HK, and the same reference, any point on our HK is equally distant from OB and OC. This is measure of OA is equal to OC. It means now O is the only point common to DF and HK. Mean O is the point on DF and HK. Which is equally distant from point A, B and C. That means measure of OA is equal to measure of OB is equal to measure of OC. However, there is no such other point except O. Hence, the circle with center O and radius OA will pass through A, B and C. Ultimately, there is only one circle which passes through three given points A, B and C. And it is the first theorem of the chapter.